How to crop an image in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image in Figma. For that, you will need to open your Figma application on your device first. Once you open it, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. You will need to select your recent designs where you would like to crop the image. Once you find the design, simply double click on it to reach to the editing space. By doing so, you will be able to reach to the editing space. Here, wait until the interface loads, and once it loads, you will land on this page. Now here, locate the image that you would like to crop. Once you locate it, simply double click on it, and then this pop-up menu will appear at the right side. Here you will be able to see this fit option. Simply click on it, and then from here select the crop option. By doing so, you will be able to see the blue handles around the image. Now you just simply need to drag these blue handles in order to crop this image. You will need to reposition it from all the sides, and once you are satisfied with it, simply press on enter. By doing so, you will see you have successfully cropped this image. So this is how you can crop image in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.